Are you passionate about history and dream of having your own YouTube channel? Today is the perfect moment to start. Imagine this, a tool that not only writes the scripts but also creates images, videos, subtitles, music, narrative voices, and much more. All you need to bring your ideas to life is in one place. If you have always thought making videos was complicated or costly, let me tell you that with this tool it is much easier than you can't believe. You will be able to turn your stories into attractive and professional content in minutes. Do you want to know how to create your first history video for your YouTube channel without complicating yourself and being a true expert? So stay here because I will show you how to do it step by step. Get ready to take the first step in your adventure as a content creator. Let's begin. Before starting to create videos for your history channel, it is important to work with a tool called Edimakor. The link I will leave in the video description and in the comments section. Once you have downloaded and installed it, the next thing you will do is open Edimakor. Once it has loaded, we will go to AI Video Generator. If you already have a written topic, you can simply paste it. But if you want to further refine your idea for your history content, you just have to click on the AI copywriting option. It offers you an inspiration assistant that can help you create content, whether for movies, television, commercials, relationships, cooking tutorials, life stories, or travel guides. However, in this case, since we are going to create a history video, we will select the custom input option. Within this option, we will write the title of the topic we want to obtain a script. For example, in my case, I will place Mayan stories. Next, we click on Generate. You will notice that the Edimakor assistant will generate incredible scripts that allow you to delve deeper or expand further on the topic. Once you find the script you like the most, just click to copy. Minimize the window and paste the text inside the box. Then click on Next. You will notice that our script automatically divides into several sections with their assigned duration times. If you don't like the script layout, you can delete unnecessary sections and group them into larger paragraphs, as I show in the video. Perfect. Once grouped, the next step will be to generate images or automatically create videos according to your script. To do this, click on Auto Pick. Once the images or videos are generated, you can also add more elements. To do so, just click on the plus sign and choose if you want to add other additional videos. Remember, there are limits to your imagination and creativity. If you don't want to speak in the video, let me tell you that Edimakor has voiceovers. To activate them, open the AI voice here, click on them, choose a voice, and select the language you prefer. In my case, I will leave it in Spanish. Then choose the voice you like the most. For example, I will select Saul's voice. Once selected, click on Confirm. The next step will be to turn off the background music and set the aspect ratio of the video. In this case, we will leave it in 16:9 format. When you have everything ready, click on Advanced Editing. From this point, you just have to wait for the Edimakor to process. In addition, you will be able to adjust the size and duration of both the voices and the video as needed. And that's it. Excellent. Now we are going to add the elements that will bring life in the video, such as effects, filters, transitions, and more. For example, I will add transitions to them. You can choose the transition you like best and drag it to the video. Likewise, if you click on the audio option, you can add or drag background music that you enjoy to accompany the narrator's voice. And you will have the possibility to adjust the volume of the music. Similarly, if you want to subtitle your video, just click on the audio. From the voice, go to the subtitles option and then select styles. Choose the style you prefer. In this case, I will choose the white color style. Then click on selected clip, then click auto subtitling. Now wait for it to generate the subtitles automatically. Good. Now if we go to the top right, from there we can adjust the style and size of the text to further personalize it. And that's it. Our history video starts coming to life. Once we have everything ready, we click on Export. Then we choose the format, resolution, and encoder. We put a title to the video and clicked on Export again. From here, only remains to wait for the video to finish processing. Once the processing is completed, this is how it will look.
Los mayas, una de las civilizaciones más avanzadas de Mesoamérica, dejaron un legado asombroso que sigue fascinándonos hasta hoy. Desde sus conocimientos astronómicos hasta sus majestuosas ciudades, su historia está llena de logros y misterios. Pero, ¿qué los llevó a desaparecer? Los mayas eran grandes astrónomos, matemáticos y arquitectos. Crearon calendarios precisos que incluso predijeron eclipses. Su sistema de escritura jeroglífica les permitió registrar su historia y eventos importantes. Además, construyeron ciudades impresionantes como Chichén Itzá y Palenque, con pirámides que aún hoy sorprenden por su perfección arquitectónica. A pesar de sus logros, muchas de sus grandes ciudades fueron abandonadas alrededor del siglo IX. ¿Qué ocurrió? Una teoría apunta al cambio climático, sequías prolongadas habrían agotado los recursos. Otra sugiere que guerras internas y conflictos entre ciudades-estado desestabilizaron la región. Además, el agotamiento de tierras para la agricultura pudo haber contribuido al colapso. Sin embargo, los mayas no desaparecieron por completo. Sus descendientes aún viven en regiones como México, Guatemala, Belice y Honduras, preservando su lengua, cultura y tradiciones. Hoy, los sitios arqueológicos mayas nos cuentan su historia, invitándonos a reflexionar sobre el equilibrio entre la naturaleza y la civilización.
This tool is the perfect ally for creating engaging and professional content for your history channel. No matter if you are a beginner or expert, barriers are removed and your creativity can reach new heights levels. What are you waiting for? Download Edimakor now, experience its power, and start turning your passions into videos for the world. Take the first step towards your success history channel today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Do you have any doubts or ideas for future videos? Leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.